Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of the Supra NAT build. If you haven't seen the first episodes, please watch those first. Last time we saw the car idles very rough. We found out it was caused by the intake not sealing up properly. So for now we replaced it with a stock intake, and Jordi, a friend of me, is going to weld the runners onto the plenum. In the meanwhile, I'm going to finish off the small bits around the car, starting with the intercooler piping. First I cut them to size, chamfered the edges and checked the fitment. The first bend from the turbo was tricky, but after cutting some small plastic pieces away, it snuck right in. Then I worked my way around from the intercooler towards where the intake will be. After that was fine, I used the beading tool to create a nice bead on the piping. This took a while, but it gave a nice result. Then I start bending some brackets to attach the oil catch can and the oil cooler. After that I started on the wiring. Make sure you use the correct crimping tools. The wiring diagram for the Grady emanage Ultimate can be found in the description. I chose crimping over soldering, as soldering might become brittle and it's not a nice combination with the vibration of the car. I wired it in such a way that I can disconnect the emanage at all times. The crimping took me a few tries, but it's now very secure. I also wired in the gauges through the inner fender and into the engine bay. I got a boost sensor, oil temperature, oil pressure and the AFR. We're so close to making boost now. Anyway, that's all I got for you this episode. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.